guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Squared Grade 2 Module 3 Topic B. So let's get started. Okay, this is Lesson 6 explanation part. Number 1, Ming decomposed the trapezoid into smaller shapes. And he made 3 triangles. Okay, so show 2 more ways to decompose the trapezoid into smaller shapes and name the shapes you made. So they can just like cut pattern blocks. So here, cut pattern blocks and place them on top of the trapezoid to find the smaller polygon. So you just trace around and find the possible shapes that are hidden inside. Alright, so here we have the shapes. Okay, I think we're supposed to cut it out, and then number 1, Lee decomposed a rhombus into smaller shapes. So he made 1 trapezoid and 2 triangles. Showed 2 more ways to decompose a rhombus into smaller shapes. Alright, so he did the trapezoid is right here, and the triangle is over here and over here. And 2 more ways to decompose a rhombus into smaller shapes, then name the shapes you made. Alright, so let's see. Cut out the blocks thing, but I'm just gonna like do it on visual. So like first thing we can see, we can just do 2 triangles. So 2 triangles. And then another way, you could just do 2 parallelograms. If you split it in half, you can just do 2 parallelograms. So 2 parallelograms. Alright. Next, we have lesson 7, explanation part. Name the composed polygon. So this thing is a triangle. And here we have a trapezoid and we have a rectangle. Number 4, trace 3 tangram pieces to make a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. So opposite parallel sides. Number 5, circle all the shapes with parallel sides. So remember the train tracks. So these are parallel and this is not. Number 6, trace a composed shape. So this shape has 5 sides. And circle the shapes that make the composed shapes. The triangle and the quadrilateral. I mean, no, not quadrilateral, oh my god. No, the hexagon. Alright, number 7. Cut the tangram, name the composed polygon. Okay. This whole thing is a triangle. And this is a trapezoid. Okay, and then this is a square. And then now trace 2 tangram pieces to make a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay. So, one way to do that, you guys can do a tangram. I'm just gonna like draw it out. You could do first, you could do a trapezoid. And then you could add like a rhombus here. Oh wait, no. Actually, no, you have to do a triangle right here to make the parallelogram. So the quadrilateral here, we did a parallelogram. Okay. And then now, number 5, circle the shapes with parallel sides. Remember train tracks. This one, nope, and over here. Number 6, trace a composed shape. The composed shape, let's see. Well, this one can be a composed shape. And this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it's made of the green triangle and the blue rhombus. Okay, now we have lesson 8, explanation part. Number 1, circle those shapes with 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest are not made of 4 parts that are equal. Number 2, label each shape as halves, thirds, or quarters. Halves, quarters, because we have 4 pieces, and thirds. Number 3, what unit describes the parts of this trapezoid? Thirds, because it's divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, this is lesson 8. Number 1, circle the shapes with 3 equal parts. This is 2, 4. Here we have 3, so this is 3. Here we have 3 parts, but these are not equal parts, and this is 3 equal. Now, number 2, label each shape as halves, thirds, or fourths. This would be thirds since it's 3 equal parts. This one is fourths, and this is halves. Alright, number 3, what unit best describes the parts of this triangle? 4 equal parts, so this would be quarters. Alright, now we have lesson 9, explanation part. Circle the shape that shows each share. Okay, 1/3 of the whole, so that should be 1 shaded out of 3 parts. So that would be this shape, because 3 parts and 1 is shaded. For 2, partition the hexagon into thirds, shade 1/3. So it's in 3 pieces and they shaded 1/3. So the shape of this shaded part is a rhombus. Now number 3, what is the difference in length? We have our hammer and a paintbrush. So shown in 2 ways. One way is to do a tape diagram like this. Paintbrush and the hammer, and another way is to draw like the extra length. Alright, this is lesson 9. For 1, circle the shape that shows each share, 1/2 of the whole. So this is 1/4, this is 3/3, and this is 1 out of half. 1/4 is 1 out of 4 equal pieces. Number 2, partition the trapezoid into thirds, shade 1/3. So we could do boom and then boom. 3 pieces, and we shade 1/3 of those 3. Alright, and then now, what is the shape of 1/3 of the trapezoid? It is a triangle. Number 3, what is the difference in length? Show the difference in 2 ways. Okay. So first way we could do, our fork is 15, and then the teaspoon is 12. So we just find how much greater the fork is. So 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. So the difference in length is 3 centimeters. Alright, now another way to do it. Do the fork and the teaspoon, we can make them equal in length, but then just find how much more the fork is instead of how much less the teaspoon is, like we did over here. So to do that, we do 12 plus 3 equals 15. Sorry, difference is 3. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. And hope you see you guys next time. Alright, oh my god. Alright, thank you so much. See you guys next time. Bye!